Kwethu siyanibingelela nonke sithi namhlanje sinomfo kaNkomo uPrince okade eorganizer weLakho lapha ya eMgungundlovu mfo kaNkomo asihlale endabeni qhawe lamaqhawe kwenzekani sathola iLakho ninaphazana ku social media wena no mongameli wakho kwenzakalani take us through naku kuthiwa izandla zakho zinenomfi awuyibheki imali kuthiwa into nje wena oyibangayo imali kwenzakalani futhi take us through.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mbovu uphinde futhi ngibingelele ama followers wakho eSouth Africa ikakhulukazi ePietermaritzburg la ade ngiorganize khona. No Mbovu ngithi angikusacise lokhu ngifuna ukuthi ngiqale eqaleni mhlambe ngikuphinde kwesibili lokhu kodwa kumele ngikufake kusinke emakhanda abantu ukuthi angeke uzuthi uPrince engathatha iprotection fee esitolo esikhulu njenge Phoenix and Cash and Carry. iPhoenix Cash and Carry isitolo esikhulu kakhulu esupplier amanye ezinye izitolo ezikwamanye amazwe khona la eAfrica. So sizokhumbula ukuthi ngeJuly unrest iPhoenix Cash and Carry abantu babetapa ezitolo kodwa bazange bakwazi basondele khona ngendlela eprotected ngayo. Mina ngubani ukuthi ngingaprotecta iPhoenix. So leyo nto nje iqala nje ikutshele lokho ukuthi lento iyamampunge and iyamanga. Naloko okunye nokunyeka akubalile iqala nje ngendaba sePhoenix ubuka ukuthi lokho akulona iqiniso. Mase uyabona naloko okunye besenzele ngazi ukuthi into ayishoyo against mina ibe nesisindo abale nezinto engekho. Kuliqiniso ke Mbovu ukuthi iLakho hlehle akuyona iorganization existayo iorganization ephila ku social media kuphela. It's fraudulent ukuthi iorganization uposte ngayo ngepersonal account. But angeke ngize ngidwele much lokho kodwa iorganization yona iLakho it doesn't exist on structures. Angikwazi ngisho amagama ama meetings even its constitution was not at my disposal or asiyazi sonke neteam ekade ngilida nayo regionini ade yaseMgungundlovu nakwamanye ama region as well abayazi constitution yeLakho. But ngiye ngayizwa ke into ethi laba ba resignile national oku SG no spokesperson nabanye into eberesignise kakhulu kusuke kwaputshuluka iconstitution ebekade nikeza wonke ama powers upresident even ngisho ama provincial structures ngoba sinama province awuthuku kwaZulu Natal neGauteng. So mozoyibuka le constitution ama provincial structures ayifinisha awanamsebenzi walutho. So lawo ama comrades ka resignile they value themselves because they are founding members of iLakho and then only found out they did submit some IDs numbers wabo kade kumele register only found out kwi registration certificate abaveli and yonke into nango constitution le I proposed draft constitution le ekhona ama powers amaningi anikezwa upresident and then they don't go to ama structures yokwenza ama amendments kwenziwe lento ekuthiwa I constitutional review meeting either at a provincial level or at a regional level. So there is no organization there. That thing is a one man show. Otshelwa ngama speculations ophila ngokuthi uya assume atshelo lokhu ngawe bese ya conclude yena ayikho into ekuthiwa disciplinary committee. There is no disciplinary hearing. Mekubuke nje wangakuthanda uyaxosha bese uzobukisa ngawe akuneke ku Facebook. Kanti la hlehle iqiniso mina nginandaba nokuthi ngifake ku Facebook but nginabantu abama associates wami abantu abangithanda abangeyozi bayamukele le nto mase ukusiyenzekile. Barike engifuna ukungena kukona kakhulu la asikwazi ukuthi sibe nomholi ofana noMancinza othi yena usebenzela abantu base South Africa usebenzela abasebenzi ungena embonini bakhipha abantu bokufika abangenamaphepha mase befaka abantu base South Africa. There is no such. You go to inkampani yamathishi ekuyamnikazi uMr Ashraf elapha ya eStudio you'll find foreigners there ne. Go to uCapital Steel angifuni ukuyikhuluma indaba seCapital Steel because ibhlungu uCapital Steel from la hlala khona uMancinza is not even 3 kilometers away. uCapital Steel into oyenzayo uholela abasebenzi 160 rand ngosuku. Kunabasebenzi la basuka kombala abagibela kabili shithi bagcina besebenzela iTransport in the presence of Mancinza because uyayazi yonke into eyenzeka lapha is because basebenza kanjani bathatha imali engango 300,000 beyithatha phi bayithatha kwiSulumane engenze ngisho ukuthi ubaba bathi ngiyalazi yabo kodwa lu HR manager. So ama conditions abasebenza ngaphansi kwawo abasebenzi base Capital Steel awekho ama PPEs bayashe ezandleni bahlezi bengibikela bahlezi beyibikela na iLakho but i-metal laphana is not attended to because kwathathwa imali. Into ayenzayo ukuze izibeke lezi ndawo lezi afika athathe kuzona imali wenze njani ama-regional structures noma i-region yami nama-battalion uwaflata ngenqwaba ama-case and then ngezikhathi bona genuinely and honestly belwisana nabaqashi abaholi bakuma-region mese yayithatha i-victory ayiposte ku-Facebook ukuze zinganakeki ezinye zezinto azenzayo behind closed doors. Ngizodlula kule yase-Capital Steel ngifuna ukungena kuleya kamasipala waphosta ngosisi wendiya ekuthiwa uFatima eminyangweni wakhe lapha kamasipala ubhalwe ukuthi big boss. Lo sisi usukile wasebenza kaCocta wathi mesuka kaCocta kuphelanga ngisho isikhathi singanani u2 months wabuya wasebenza amasipala ne ade eresignile wabuya wasebenza amasipala. So uFatima njengoba esebenza amasipala wayekade epostiwe kufanele uperuzwe kwenziwe investigation ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi kube khona into efana njenganale. uMancinza wayigcine eposte ngaloko kuphela akaphindanga wabuya and emva kwaloko istatus sempilo yakhe sashintsha kakhulu. Indaba yokukhokhelwa kwemembership yelakho Mbovu into introducewe recently akapheli u2 months ikhona. Angeke uzungitshele hle lento ye-membership yona eyocleana imali le engcolile ayithatha kubaqashi ukuze uma ufica imali ku-account kube ngathi imali ye-membership ayikho i-membership etheni esajoyinile kulakho kodwa abantu bayajoyina. And I will urge abantu base-South Africa abasebenzi ukuthi they must refrain ekujoyineni bacela i-refund abangakwazi ukwenza lokho ekujoyineni ilakho ngoba nina ilakho ayirejistile njenge-trade union. Umuntu mangabe ithatha i-subscription fee kwi-organization yakhe chaza ukuthi namhla unenkinga emsebenzini fanele akumele ilakho ayingene eCCMA ayingene eLabour Court hence idictate imali zabantu every month okwama-50 rands. So leya into leya eyoclean imali ethathwa uyena eyithatha kubantu abantu bayivolunteerela yena ngokungazi ukumisleadwa yini i-social media. So abantu ngithi-ke leya into leya ye-membership kuzohamba kuhambe babone bengaserviseki bayiyekele yona. So angifuni ukuclouda ama-issues la ngifuna ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngale ndaba leya kamasipala. Kuzoba khona uDiz India lo muntu wesilisa uDiz balapha ka-water and sanitation kamasipala naye uFatima umuntu obaprotecta kakhulu kuzana zonke into abazenzayo nasekuxhaphazekeni kwabantu abamnyama emsebenzini uCFO ekunelisiwe Ngcobo. Kugcwala abantu bangcobo masipala kunuka phu. uMancinza pretended as if uya intervene kuleyo nto.
Masipala
Umsunduzi municipality.
Okay.
Yes. uMancinza mina I know for a fact and I know very well ukuthi wenza zonke lezi zinto lezi azenzayo uavailable ufuna ukuba imayor yasemsunduzi engicabanga ukuthi ku-impossible because indlela ayiconducta ngayo I don't think uyakholela kulento ye-teamwork akekho umuntu nje ongafuna ukusebenza naye. So mina ngiyayipredicta nje i-outcome ukuthi lento ayifunayo impossible kuyomele nje awasuppresse lawo ma-ambitions. Asiphinde futhi sibuyele endabeni yase-Save Hyper. E-Save Hyper umuntu mina angifuni ukuthi athi hayi ndoda buyisa ubufakazi. Uma ukuthi userious wena ukuthi ubuyisa ubufakazi hambe eCapital Steel uhambe eSiyaya Cash and Carry ufike uyibuza lezi zinto kubasebenzi bakhona ukuthi athina ama conditions ithini lakho they will tell you. That is enough evidence ke for mina le. So ungangitshela ukuthi wena ngibuyise ubufakazi ngoba iqiniso la engifuna ukuthi ngilisho Mbovu. Ungahamba manje umperuzi uminvestigate uMancinza ngeke uzumthole yazi ngobani uyathumela umuntu amthumela kakhulu uTreasurer General okuKelvin Cabasha. Uyena umuntu amthumelayo ukuthi athathe imali la kubaqashi mina leyo nto leyo ngiyayazi ke bangivezela ulentuzana ukuthi naku si exchange la transaction na imali siyifaka la kule account. Mawusuku ufuna uku-investigate uMancinza into ebalekile ukuthi fanele uminvestigate through uKelvin Cabasha. Agcinanga lapho uMancinza waya eMshwathi ka Ward 9 khona inkampani yama-China lapha ekuthiwa i-MO ibizwa nge-Mo M.O ibizwa nge-Mo. Iproducani badila kakhulu neplangwe nephepha banokusupplyana noMondi. Kuleyo nkampani abasebenza abaxhashazwa ideal yakhe leyo uMancinza wafika nayo leyo nkampani afika ifaka lapha eMshwathi wadla imali yama-China. So mangabe efika abasebenzi indlela abaxhashazwa ngaba bafanele ngisho nango-12 ebusuku ama conditions abasebenza ngaphansi kwawo omunye umsebenzi wazo wanqamuka ingalo ngenxa ama conditions awase wangazi uya intervene uzomlekelela. Unfortunately angikwazanga ukuthi ngiyithola inamba lo msebenzi laba banginezele information bagcina bengawazanga uyithola, but ngelinye ilanga siyozama ukuthi silandelele indaba yalapha sibone ukuthi silungisa kanjani. But uMancinze yena isimhlulile, kodwa indlela acasha ngayo uMancinze ezintweni eziningi is because uyaflata ngama case, ama case yabo isistructure se region uma nafaka ama case ayinqwaba kufanele attend, awukwazi ukuthi ungafocus kuyena nokuthi uyibukisise lifestyle yakhe while kusakhona ama cases akufanele ukuthi wa attend. But thina lifestyle yakhe sizokutshela ubani umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi ngesikhathi esincane kanje uthola ukuthi use afford ukukhokhela ama bodyguard amaningi kangaka, iconvoy yemoto umuzi iRes une res phela lapha eNodeli yabafundi ngiyazwa futhi ama hemhemu ke la ngikwaziwayo ama rumors unomuzi lapha eNtuzaneni eThekwini. So ama office akuyona le membership ekhokhelwa abantu le rent ama office ala ePietermaritzburg kuSarray number 14 naseGoli, kunama office lezo ndawo zombili. Iqhamuka phi yonke imali ekhokhela zonke lezo zinto lezo ngoba ngempela abantu bengaboni ukuthi khona into ekhona la. Uyabo? So khona into ekhona la, imali ithathiwe, imali idliwe kubaqashi kwajikwa dayiswa ngabasebenzi eSouth Africa. So yena ke mase sizofuna ukuzoba usiduma ngabanye. Mina ngeke noma okay let's say mhlawumbe ngawuthatha ku 2000 rand sengingafela nje ku 2000 rand emalini engaka yena ayithatha 2000 rand nginakhona ngifundraisela ukuhlalisa induction. Yabo, so leyo nto iyakutshela ukuthi ngempela sinenkinga ngoMancinza and uMancinza kuzohamba kuhambe abantu bambone. So yileyo nto ke into ade ngithi ngifuna ukuthi ngizoyikeqela amagula ngibachazela abantu ukuthi at some point uyadinga umuntu ukuthi umverify njengomholi wakho ukuthi ngempela lo muntu akanayo ngisho nane background yokuba ishop steward. Is not even an HR practitioner. Abanye abantu bayengabaza leya into yazi ukuthi ugcina elidane elida abantu abaholi bakhe nabantu abamlandelayo at the downtrodden, marginalized and vulnerable masses of our people. So that is why abomese zokhuluma nabantu ezo-address abantu akayishile into ngicela ngithathe ivideo mesethi phansi ngoba babengane abangondli phansi so yabo. So iyona kabantu bakhe labo abantwini aba civilized ukuthi mangabe ba present elinto bazoyiguqula bayibuke ngenhlangothi zombili akakwazi ukuba leader leyo bantu ngobani akalingani nabo i-thinking capacity yakhe. Hlehle ngiyakhala nje mina ngelakho ukuthi abantu okuyibona ade beyi-thinking brain yelakho akuwomusa Mhlongo abasasiyona ingxenye yayo ilakho is dying a natural death ukuthi nje iyaphila kwi-social media kuphela. The only thing asemngayo manje i-social media khona le into izohlezi iphila kuyena fanele ahleze posta ngabantu izolo nje uposte ngokuthi kunabantu abafuna umbulala osopolitiki warala no awukwazi Mbovu ufike uposte wena ngoShotaka wa 21 uposte ubhala umathanda wakho ngaye is a politician lo uShotaka uphinde uposte ngoSibongile Dlamini uDeputy Mayor waseMgungundlovu district ne uphinde wena uposte ngoThemba Njilo uphinde wena uposte ngoComrade uThobani Zuma lo eMK uphinde uposte ngomZithebola mase uactor surprise mangabe usunezitha uyena ozibizela izitha nale interview le enginaye le nginayo manje uyena oyimemile njengoba ngikhuluma nje uyena ongibizile ukuthi mina ngizokhuluma. It was time ticking bomb. It's just that ilakho ayiwa create ama platforms la khona abantu bezokwazi baphefumule. There are no meetings abakhona ama meetings if ukuthi khona iruma ayizwile ngazikhona into ekhona and then mase yanibiza uthola sayikho nane agenda lapho ithe one man show yonke into nje kukhonjwa ngentshebe uthola siyabona singeke iorganization la yikho ayikho iplatform yokuphefumula. That is why igcina siphefumula kuma platforms la usicreatela wona Mbovu because yena wavalile and baningi nabanye engicabanga ukuthi ngiyabanikeza isibindi basazosukuma bazikhulume izinto ezenzakala lapha lokho ngoba ngempela angeke sizivuma. Into ke ngifuna ukuthi ngiyiqinisekise indawo efana no Capsteel because ngisazoqhubeka Mbovu ngilwela abasebenzi. Ikhona iMK Labor Desk, ikhona iunion ekuyiyona eorganizer endaweni eziproduce steel. Ikhona ilotuzana iLabor Laws Enforcement, the newly formed movement elidwa aboMusa Mhlongo. So mina kusamele ngizithola ukuthi ngalapha kuzona kona wonke lama movements, even if it's called ukuthi siqala into entsha futhi we can start the new thing yabo, ngoba inhloso la ukuthi yonke lemzabalazo ngohlukahlukana wayo fanele igcine imeja ikhanda into eyodwa, as long as inhloso kuyinto eyodwa kuyini okukhulula umuntu omnyama noma ukukhulula umsebenzi wase eSouth Africa, ngoba abaqashi bazenzele eSouth Africa abacomply nama labor laws ala eSouth Africa. So ngaleyo ndlela angeke siyekelele isimo sako siyaya cash and carry, ngeke siyekelele isimo salapha ko capitalist deal la uMancinza ethumele khona abantu bakhe ukuthi bayothatha imali.
Sibonge kakhulu kumfoka Nkomo. Cha, besithi asike sizwa wena mfoka Nkomo. Sisazophinda ke simeme naye umfoka Mancinza mase sifuna ukuthi sinifake epanini ke nobabili sizwe. Njengamanje you've made allegations against him, we will also invite him. We want to know allegations that he will make against you. Then ke mase siyaqondanisa okuvumile nje uthe u2000 kuphela wena owaziyo. Wathi
Uthunywa yena.
Uthunywa uyena uMancinza. Wamnika lo 2000.
Ngagcina ngawutholanga ngoba bangifonela bathi hayi angimiyeke ngoba lo muntu usengirecordile. Into last year le ya recording akuyona into ya recent.
Wabakunikanga u2000.
Hayi butho.
Oh.
Kwathi hayi Prince lo muntu ngokuya record.
Wait ukushanga ebhomu.
Wasibona thiwa Prince ngoba lo muntu lo userecordile ayizosidalela inkinga miyeke.
Okay.
Ngase ngamiyeka. Kwadla uthi record isho ukuthi bayazi bayongishanga elinye ilanga. Sebengishanga ngayo.
Oh manje uqhunyelwe ibhomu esandleni.
Uqhunyelwe ibhomu esandleni. Into last year ngoNovember.
Ha. Hey ngizwa kahle. But kangihlabezeleke because most of you guys including uMancinza nama activists aphila ngani lama activists ngoba ngiyanibona inecwazi umla insizwe eziphila kahle lezi niphila ngani ubani ubaswenu njoba mina uyabona nasi ikorokoro ngibhizi ngithuthi ehlabathi ngenza yonke into nenzani nini?
Hayi no mina hlahle ngine internship ne ngine internship yaka Facets I placement yami hlahle I Facets wase DUT. So nje to cut the long story short ngine internship engiholela u5000 rand ngenyanga, ngiyakwazi ukuthatha enye imali ngiyise einganeni vele ke mina akayi ngiyipantsula yabo. So
okay, oh hayi nali ipantsula lela khona formal la kho pantsula manje laba abanye ka sebephumile noma nabo siyoyizwela kubona asebephuma ikhishi labo obuthi nifike na ku MK Labor Desk nahlanganisa naphuma ikhishi leni la kho naphinda futhi kulakho kuyabonakala ukuthi ngeke khona ufuna ukuhamba namaqatha amaningi anamanoni sekuphumela inye ikhishi utheni labor and bani enforcement shothi ikhishi lesithathu le
labor laws enforcement
labor laws enforcement shothi mathathu kusuka kwi MK Labor Desk sekuphumila kho kwaphumila labor manje na usucabanga ukuvulela ibhondo.
No ngisazo consulta ngibuka ukuthi which is which but ekugcineni a particular decision will be taken
at the right time.
At the right time.
Right. MK Labor Desk yona is it registered?
I don't know anything about MK Labor Desk ngoba into esatshelwa yona ukuthi engazothi khona laba bangakhona imali no Bishop Ngcobo. So
ubani koba ngimali?
uMancinza ibona ama founders eMK Labor Desk. So babanga imali engazothi uyazi kakhulu khona uyazi kakhulu nomuntu.
Okay, right.
So kwase kwaqala ke
inkingi ngeke la kubanga imali.
Kubanga phela abantu ngeke bazibatshelwe lokho.
Okay.
Kodwa ngisho umbuka naye uNgcobo ukuthi
onoNgcobo.
uNgcobo Bishop Ngcobo. Ngisho umbuka uyambona nje ukuthi is money driven.
Bishop ngokwebandla noma umbishop ngegama?
Ngazi ukuthi uBishop Ngcobo nje. Ukuthi uBishop ngebandla noma
sengisho phela uyayithola umnikelo. Manje uyijwayele sangeni.
Angazi noma ngokwebandla. Yabo kodwa ngazi lutho ngokwe MK Labor Desk. Ngikwazi kahle hle.
Yilakho.
Because nami I was part of it at its initiation stage.
Manje lento iMK I mean lakho indoda eyodwa one man show.
Yeah, ilakho is a one man show and bamsaba ngazi ukuthi khona into abasebenzisela yona.
If I may ask you a question.
Yes.
MK is a one man show as well. Amazwi izwi lika president is final.
No. Okay. There is democracy in the MK and the MK is still at a foundation phase ne.
Okay.
And then you remember ukuthi uZuma is an organic intellectual ne. So since a organic intellectual ezinye zezinto uyakwazi ukubona ama opportunist yabo. So we can deal with them easily when so interpreter ngokuthi there is an element of dictatorship kanti we trust uJacob Zuma. uJacob Zuma is our leader. MK is a future, is a vehicle that will take us to a promised land.
Okay. Kodwa sengisho ukuthi amandla concentrate wethu a leader.
No phela upresident ngokomthetho.
Uyini uMancinza ngala ngakho? Akayona president.
Upresident phela law is not an organic intellectual.
Oh, no.
It's just a chance taker. So this one is an organic intellectual, is a tried and tested. uZuma is a tried and tested.
Yeah.
So law imitates leadership style kaZuma.
Okay.
Ne.
Uthi ushaya copy and paste.
Yes, manje
ayivumi.
lento ayivumi uyenza ngenkani and izogcina imqhatha nabantu. Akekho nje umuntu uZuma ngeke akutshela ukuthi unezitha yena because wadlala kahle amabhola akhe yabo. Wadlala kahle amakhadi akhe yabo. So lo usenezitha ngenxa ukuthi akahla kaniphile.
Okay, uvela thatha ibhodo abaleke nalo. Ayodla yena.
Angazi.
Cha, siyabonga kakhulu ku Prince Nkomo. Sizoke sifakane umlomo noMancinza. Siyezwa kuthiwa inkinga ayibanga no Bishop baba ngibhodwe. Namanje indaba yebhodwe ayifuni ukuphela. Kuthiwa inkinga kaMancinza uphinda sethelana ama trap, which is also a problem. So siyabonga kakhulu Mfoka Nkomo. What we are then going to do from here, uMancinza besi confirme uLwesithathu Wednesday. Singacela futhi uzavele ngoLwesine. Sesihlahlela ke sesizwa naye zobibuya kuMancinza sesiqeda sesithi ke sike sazi ukuthi what is the way forward. Wena uthi usangasebenza uDana Mancinza in future as a leader manje uthi niyakwazi ukuhlala etafuleni nibonisana njengabaholi babantu bomphakathi.
Ngingasebenza naye on one condition.
Yeah.
If ukuthi uzovuma ukuthi akayena umholi mina ngumholi. Ngingasebenza naye. Kodwa yena mina I'm very ashamed of myself when I'm bovu.
Okay.
Ukuthi I once commanded by Mancinza.
Yeah. Ukuthi akavumi ukuthi akayena yena umholi.
I felt highly reduced by being commanded by Mancinza.
Ngizwa kahle.
But at some point ezinye zezinto fanele uyiyeke nje.
Zinjalo.
Uyibuka ze unfold akho uthola uyasho ngenhliziyo ukuthi hey this thing is a mediocrity, a serious mediocrity. I once reduced myself by allowing myself to be led by that person. So nomunye othatha uMancinza njengomholi wakhe
usazokhala
samela ayinuka amakhwapho ukuthi ayibuza ukuthi mina ngicabanga kanjani.
No, siyabonga kakhulu Mfoka Nkomo. There you have it, South Africans. NgoLwesine join us again, but firstly join us on Wednesday ngo7 kusihlwa sizobe sinoMancinza who is currently the president of Flaco. Then on Thursday so bese sibuya nempendulo kaMancinza sesiqhatha inkulumo siza ukuthi is there a way forward. Lithi igama Mancinza uyimisela ukusebenzana uMfoka Nkomo provided uyavuma ukuthi wena uyena umholi, uyena uMfoka Nkomo umholi. Kusho ukuthi kufanele kuguquka amatafula. Inkosi nibusise, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi enisiphe sona bantu bakithi.